In this video, you'll learn how to take a screenshot on your Google Pixel 3a. By following these steps, you will be able to capture and save the screen content you find important. Start by unlocking your Google Pixel 3a and navigate to the screen that you want to capture. Ensure that the content is clearly visible and adjust the display if necessary to include all relevant information. Holding your phone firmly will help maintain control during the screenshot process, preparing your device for the next steps. Next, you need to press the power button and the volume down button simultaneously and quickly. Be sure to press both buttons at the same time. You will notice the screen flashing briefly, which indicates that the screenshot has been successfully taken. Depending on your device settings, you may also hear a shutter sound. Avoid pressing the buttons for too long, as this can disrupt the screenshot process. After capturing the screenshot, a preview will appear at the bottom of your screen. Tap on this preview to view or edit the screenshot immediately. This allows you to crop, annotate, or share the image according to your needs. It's a good idea to check the image for accuracy to ensure it captures the intended information. The screenshot you just took is automatically saved in your gallery. You can access it later to view, edit, or share as needed. Keeping an organized gallery will help you find your screenshots easily in the future. If your device has limited storage, consider regularly reviewing and deleting screenshots that you no longer need. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.